Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to get a resume template on your Google Docs mobile phone and how to use it in your mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to get the resume template on Google Docs mobile. So first of all, click on this plus symbol and click on the choose template option, and here you will see a first template which is CV called resume, and in resume there is a total of 5 different resumes, and here in this I just going to choose this modern writer resume. Just click this. So now you can just edit this resume easily. For an example, in top you can just edit it, and you can paste your address, and here your name. For an example, the name I just typing here was my name. You can see the font optional, okay, and also the font color and everything is not changed, and the same as far as the template font is used here. You can just edit the skills. The same font and same color or same template used remains the same, so there will be no change. So you can just easily edit it, and you can also change the color, text and font style. And this is how you just use this resume template and create your own resume using this option. So there's a total of 5 templates they have been given in the choosing template. You can see on the template selection. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.